This is January 31st, 2026, and we are going to play Pips. So starting with the easy. So we have a lot of zeros. Let me scroll it down or scroll it up. Yeah, all our tiles have zeros. It's just 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, and 0, 6. So it's immediately we can see that this is 0, 0. This is where we put our 0, 0. Also here we need 0, 2, then 0, 1. I mean the geometry here is pretty straightforward. 0, 6 because that's the only one that's higher than 5. So now smaller than 4 we only have 0, 3. Smaller than 5 only 0, 4, and then the last one 0, 5. All right, let's move to the medium. Okay, so this is a bit trickier. We have a 10 here, so 10 we can make it with 5 and 5 or 6 and 4. And we have several, well, we can use one 5 and 5 tile, or we can use a 6 and 4 tile, or a 6 and a 4. But then if it were to be a 6, well, it could be like 6 and 1. Yeah, I don't know. What do we have 3 of? Sixes and, and fives. So that um, that will define what we can use here in the 10. If we need all our sixes here, then this will be 5 and 5, or if we put our fives here, this will have to be 6 and 4. I assume this will be 6 and 4 split because, well, it needs to be. It needs to be, right? Because we don't have two tiles with 4, because we would, if this were just one tile, this would have to be one tile, and we do have a 1 and 3, but this would also have to be just one tile, and we don't have any other 4. Um, so yeah, so this will have to be 5 and 5. Well, not necessarily like this. I don't know the geometry here yet. Um, but let's try something. So 6 and 6. Let's try first. Well, we don't have any zeros, so it can't be 6 and 6 here and 4 with the 4 up because I don't have any zero to put here, and couldn't be 6 and 5 because it's higher than 4. But it could be like 4 and 2, then 2 and 3, then 1, 1 and 3, and then 4 and 6. Yeah, I mean, we could fill the square like that. Or if I try 6 and 1, then 3 and 2, 2 and 4. No, that doesn't work. So let's try the first thing I said. 4 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, then 4 and 6. Then, well, I mean, the 6 is higher than 3, and then 6 also higher than 2. Yeah, that there's probably several ways to solve that one. So let's go to the hard mode. remove a block of 5 squares that need to sum 12. I mean, if it were 2 squares, it would be easy, but with 5 squares, it's trickier. Then we have 3 blocks of 4 that with squares with equal value. 1, 3, one higher than 0, or one higher than 1 um, doesn't help us a lot, but it does help a little bit. As for the 3 here, we have several options. 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles can go here. And yeah, even the 3 and 3 can go here, because if we have uh, 5 3s, it could all be 3. But also I'm noticing that we don't have, I mean, most of our tiles are, uh, they have high values. Have a lot of 6 and 5s. Um, then we need smaller tiles here, or smaller values here. For instance, we have 2 and 2. We have 6 and 0. So that would be 10, and then another 2. That could work. Um, which values do we have 4 of? We already know that we have 3s. We have 5 3s. We only have 2 zeros, 1 1, 4 2s. So 2 can be one of these blocks. 1 2 3, only 3 4s, right? Yeah, only 3 4s. 1 2 3 4 5 5s, and 4 6s. So it could be 2 3 5 and 6 can go in these 3 blocks of 4. Um, however, however, um, like if I put 6 here, um, I mean, I guess could go here, right? Just I would have to arrange it in a way that the 6 0 goes down here, and then 6 5 goes here. 6 6 3 and 6 2 can go in these 2 squares, and then the 5, I do have 5 and 3. It's not so easy. I mean, it's hard mode, so. But I need, well, I have 5 5s, right? So I can put a 5 here and still have enough 5s to complete a block of 4. Yeah. So I think I'll start. I'll try that. I'll put like 6 and 5s down here, just because I want to spend them. Um, I want to save the smaller tiles for this big block, and also because I already saw that the we can fit everything here. Um, so 5 and 6 would go here. Then we have 5 0 and 5 2 and 5 1. So the 5 2 would have to go here, because we know that 1 and 0 cannot form a block like this. Um, then 6 0 goes down here. and 6 2 and 6 3. Um, it doesn't matter the order, right? Which like if it doesn't matter, oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, but then I'm using the chew. I'm using the chew here, and then I cannot use it here. Oops. And the 3, the 5 3, I'm already using here, so this doesn't work. So maybe if I take the 6 out of here, I put 5 2 here, then this would be the 2 block. Mm, not sure if that works because of the I do have 2 and 2, a double of 2's, and then I cannot put it here because I would have a square down here, and I cannot put it here because also these squares alone, and I don't have enough juice. Okay, that's helpful. And what if I put like 6 3 here? But then, well, this this cannot be 5, right? Because I have 5 and 1, 5 and 0. We know that none of these can point to the purple area because we don't have enough zeros or ones. We tried with 5 and 6. Um, that works just just up to here because then I need to use 6 and 2, and then I don't have enough juice for the other uh, for the blue area. So it cannot be 5 here. Cannot be 5. So let's try with 3 and 3. Because as I said in the beginning, we do have enough threes to fill the orange area. And then, um, well, the sixes cannot go here because I have 6. Well, maybe if I put like 5. Do I have 5 and 5? No. So but I have 5 and, oh God, I'm getting confused now. Can we have sixes here, like, and put the 6 2 here, or here, and then have these be a different number, but then the different number needs to be 5. So this would have to be 5. Um, but I don't have 5 and 5, and these 6 and 5 would have to go down here. So this cannot be 6. Um, so let's try with 5. So 3 and 5 here, and then I'm thinking if this, well, we will still have a 5. So this could be 5 and 2. This could be 5 and 2, or 5 and 6, and then this could be 6. Yeah, maybe that's the way to go. Um, let's try 3 and 6 down here, and 3 4 pointing up, just because I don't want to spend a lot of points of these 12 points here. So I'll put the 5 and 6 up here. So this could be 6s. Well, actually, if I'm putting the 3 up, 3 and 4 up here, um, I would have to to have 5, a double 6 to put here. So let's go with 5 and 2. because we do have a double 2 and 2 and 6, and then the 5, 1 goes here, 5, 6 goes here, and 5, 0 goes downwards. Then um, we have 12 here and 6 points to spare. I'll keep trying. So, okay, we fit everything, but we have um, 6 points to spare and 1, 0 here. So if only I could move this 6 down here. Um, that's not how it works. So what do I do now? Or I could have, well, maybe one of these blocks needs to be 6s. Let's try this one. 3 and 6. And then, yeah, I mean, the geometry can stay the same. We could make the geometry different, but not with the 6 here. Um, well, nor with 5. No, we cannot. The geometry cannot be different because what options do we have as with the 3? We have 3 and 6. 3 and 3 we already tried, and then 3 and 3 is a double itself. So we don't have any other doubles that could go here, like here and here. Um, 3 and 5, also we don't have a double 5. 3 and 6, we don't have a double 6. 3 and 4, we do have a double 4, but we don't have a fourth 4. So the geometry needs to be like this. So, I mean, yeah, let's try with the 6s here. And then I can put the 6 up there. And then 6, 2 goes down here. Oh, but then, well, okay, let's take the 2's out and then make it 3's. Yeah, then if I put 2 and 2 here, it is 12. And then I have 3 and 3, and I have 3 and 4, and I have 5 and 2, and that fits perfectly. Oof, that took me a long time, but eventually I got there. So, okay, that's it for Pips. Thanks for watching.